The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. And right about now, me have something to show you. I have something that happened in a sentence where them say a witchcraft or a Obeah. Jamaicans that call it Obeah, you see me? And this is of a woman to get up and find something. We're coming like, it's like a casket where they see a picture and one dolly, they in her panty or whatsoever. This is one I reach for news, it all over social media. That's why I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look on this and tell me what you think. Now, for those who can't take them kind of thing, don't look. You see me I say, but for those who can take these kind of things, well, just take a look and observe.
The exodus began shortly after 5 Thursday morning when a tenant at this house in Beechertown, Parratown, St. Anne awoke to an unusual sight at the gate. A black casket-looking object with a doll inside and a picture of the landlady affixed.
This is very unusual, very scary to us in the community also. And we are wondering or considering what could happen. What is this? Is it a joke? Or is this something more serious than we think?
No sooner than the eerie discovery was made, tenants started packing and moving out of the house. They would leave nothing to chance as suspicion grew. What was the meaning behind this?
That like it aisle up and something. Look on the ear and something like Joe still there. I'm not fool to this daddy.
Yeah, you have a point.
But humble care, you know what I mean? And
Talking
sometimes you
more
can't do humble neither. Like too humble the bad one or something.
Just cool, no, man. Just cool, no, man.
In my personal opinion, I would say they are trying to get to her or to who live here. Because to my scene, I'm saying this is more like delirance. Because nobody could run a serious joke like this. This is more than joke. This is a warning. A warning to who live here or who own the house. So it would be good to find out where it is coming from. And we call this man to the Obeah police station to ask if we could get some fingerprints. But we haven't seen them as yet. Because we said maybe the person who built it and put it here, you didn't use any gloves. They weren't thinking to use gloves.
The landlady who resides overseas also got wind of the situation and sought to take action. The police were notified, but so too was a man who turned up allegedly on the landlady's request to remove the casket. A car pulled up, incense burning, dispersing the suspicious crowd. The man, believed to be a spiritual healer, and his female aide would perform duties to undo any spiritual ill intent before removing the casket only with a minor interference. It is still unclear who placed the object in the yard or their intent.
Viewers and subscribers, really and truly, you see this whole witchcraft thing, I kind of find it hard to believe still, you know. And over the years, people say that, yo, this thing is real, this thing is real. And I just keep on looking at it and I say, Jano, really? Like, I don't know. It's like, I just can't come to the grasp, say, yo, it real like certain way. But at the same time, you have to look at it certain ways, because remember now, thy father come and create heaven and the earth, and he use a certain ways to create the heaven and the earth where it considered to be somewhat like a magic. I'm not saying it's magic, but you see me? So therefore, the way how the Bible put things, it would put the belief of Obeah like it exactly exists. And to me, it, you know, it's like, I don't know, I not tell a lie, but really and truly, at this I go on right now, you see me? And enough people, when they see this on social media, they must say, Jano Star, you see me? And again, me I go say it, you know, when you see something like this, you know, the whole legalizing thing with them that talk about in a parliament or them bring up in a parliament, you know, you have to look on it and I say, then that this, them really and truly that talk about for try to consider for legalize. I mean, I could put for example say that it exactly real. You see me I say, as me I say, no, me not say it not real, you know. You see me just I say, like I say that it real now, and it actually is a thing where hurt people. Then if it hurt people, why would you legalize something that know that it hurt people? You see me? If anything that is known to can hurt people certain ways, it should be legalized. You see me? It shouldn't even be considered to be legalized. You understand? Because remember, it hurt people, you know. Anything that hurt people is not something that is good. You see? But viewers and subscribers, me not telling like this one really and truly have me thinking. Me can't stop come to a certain look into it. It's like me just can't me can't really believe said this thing and really and truly, you know? Cause really and truly, me never get in touch with anything like this before in my life. Not like this never come across my path where me have to say, John, no, that happened or that happened. So me can't tell from another person's experience, but me have to really and truly bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna see what I go on in a Jamaica. Yeah. You see, Obeah in a sentan hit social media and a whole heap of speculations there behind this. John. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself.